strip every sword from a Roman legion, it could still defeat most armies on Earth. So what actually made these men unbreakable? Imagine the front rank of a legion, shields locked, javelins raised, dust rising with every step of the enemy's charge. A wall of screaming warriors surges toward them. No man steps back, not because he feels no fear, because the man beside him is his tent mate. They've eaten together, marched together for years. His fear is not his alone to carry. Roman recruits trained for months before touching a real blade. Weapons drills, twice a day. Their practice swords were built twice the weight of real ones. Every night, even mid-March, soldiers raised a fortified camp from nothing, then tore it down again by morning. Legionaries weren't chosen for fearlessness. They were rebuilt through repetition. Drill replaced panic with muscle memory. A soldier didn't need courage in the moment. His body already knew what to do. It had rehearsed the motion 1,000 times. The historian Josephus fought against Rome, then studied its army closely. He left a line historians still repeat today. Their drills were bloodless battles. Their battles were bloody drills. That's a first-hand account, not legend. Why the system worked so well is still debated. This discipline let a small professional force outlast much larger, fiercer armies. It's a big reason one city came to rule an empire spanning 3 continents for centuries. Rome didn't need every soldier to be a hero. It needed every soldier to be replaceable. In building that, it created something no blade could ever match.